Welcome back. In this video I will show you how you can put page number in Word for the research paper. Adding page number to research paper in Microsoft Word often requires specific formatting, especially if you need to follow academic styles. So for the most research paper, page number should appear in the header top right. So for this you need to open the insert and click on the header and click on the edit header. This will enable the header section, and then head to the insert and click on the page number and click on the top of the page number and select the plain number 3. This aligns to the number to the top right, which is the standard for most research papers. So if your research paper has a title page, that should not have a number. For this you need to double click the header area to open the header and footer section, and then check box for the different pages. And now you can start your numbering on the second page. For this you need to click on the insert, click on the page number and click on the format page number. And in the page format you need to select 1, 2, 3. And in the page numbering you need to start from the 0, and now click OK to apply. And here now you can see that the page number is starting from 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 onwards, like this one. So this way you can put page number in Word for research paper. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.